In today's video, I am going to show you an amazing project, a wireless LED control system using two NodeMCU boards. In this project, one NodeMCU board acts as an transmitter and another NodeMCU board acts as an receiver. Let's see how it works. Now, let's look at the components required for this project. We need two NodeMCU boards, 3 LED lights, and one breadboard. First I am placing the NodeMCU board on the breadboard. Now I am going to upload the receiver code to one of the NodeMCU boards. First, open the Arduino IDE software and this is the receiver's lever code. Go to Tool option and select the board as a NodeMCU board. Again go to Tool option and select the correct COM port. Now click on Upload the code. The code has been uploaded successfully. Next, open the serial monitor here. Press the reset button on the NodeMCU board. You will see a MAC address displayed in the serial monitor. Copy this MAC address and paste it into the transmitter master code. Here I am replacing the existing MAC address with the receiver's MAC address. After replacing it, go to Tool option. Again, select the NodeMCU board. And again, go to Tool option. Select the correct COM port. And then click on Upload the code. Done. The code has been uploaded successfully. Now let's look at the transmitter circuit. This is the transmitter circuit diagram. I have already soldered all the components on a PCB board. This is how that completed transmitter looks. Next, I am placing the NodeMCU board onto the transmitter PCB. To power up the transmitter remote, I am using a lithium-ion battery. Now let's move on to the receiver. This is the receiver circuit diagram for controlling the LED lights. I have connected the all LED lights according to this circuit diagram. Let's see the project in action. As you can see, whenever I press a button on the transmitter, the corresponding LED on the receiver turns on or off instantly. Even when I press the buttons quickly, the receiver gets the data immediately without any delay. Wireless communication between the two NodeMCU boards using the ESP-NOW technology. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you like this project, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Ram Invented Tech. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.